Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're spending hours every week writing captions, picking hashtags, and manually posting across 5 different platforms, this video is going to save you a ton of time. Today I'm showing you how to fully automate your social media using one tool, SureThing. We're talking auto-generated posts, images, and even videos, scheduled and published across Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Reddit, all without you lifting a finger. Let's jump right in. Signing up and picking the social media automation agent. Head over to SureThing.io and click Get Started for free. SureThing is like having your own autonomous growth team, an agent that remembers you and keeps working even while you sleep. Sign in with Google or Apple to get started. Once you're in, you'll see a list of pre-built AI agents, or you can describe a custom one you want to build yourself. For this tutorial, we're going to select the social media automation agent. The first thing the agent needs is context about your business. It'll ask you to describe your product or service and choose the format you want your posts in, defining your brand and post format. If you already have a SureThing account, you can setting this up from an existing project. Just click plus new agent and browse the quick start agents. You'll find ready-made templates for business reporting, lead generation, content writing, and yes, social media automation. Or you can click Browse Agents to see the full library, then hit Add to Project, and add to the project you want it to be. Now here's where you tell SureThing exactly what your brand is about. Describe what you actually do. For example, I typed in AI Agent Tool, SureThing. Next, choose your post formats. You can go text only, image with caption, short video, or all of them. I'm selecting all 3 here. Click Continue, and you'll land on the Connected Account screen, where SureThing shows you every platform it can publish to, connecting your platforms and first auto-generated drafts. Now just click Connect to easily connect to each platform: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Reddit. It'll pop open an authorization window, and once it's done, you'll see it marked Connected. Scroll through and connect everything you want to, then click Continue. Before finishing, take a look at what SureThing set up automatically. Skills like drafting, posting, and scheduling, plus routines like a weekly social post draft. This is the engine that keeps your content running on autopilot. Click Finish Setup and watch what happens. SureThing immediately starts generating content. Real draft posts for Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and Reddit, complete with captions, hashtags, and even attached video content, fully tailored to your brand. Every single draft has a post or discard button, so you're always the one who decides what goes live. SureThing doesn't just spit out text captions. It generates actual video content ready to publish. All of this shows up as drafts inside your dashboard. Review them, tweak anything you want, and post when you're ready. Scheduling recurring posts. Now let's automate the actual publishing schedule. Just type a plain English command into the chat. Something like, publish a Twitter and YouTube video for me every day at 10 p.m. That's it. SureThing sets up a recurring task that handles posting for you every single day, without you having to remember or manually hit publish. Trending topics and data monitoring. Want to stay ahead of what's trending in your niche? Just ask. Type, find trending topics related to my product and send it to me every morning at 9. SureThing confirms it and sets up a daily trending topics digest. So every morning, you already know what's worth posting about. And you can take it even further. Ask it to monitor and analyze all your social media accounts, and it'll keep track of performance across every platform you're connected to. No need to check each app individually. And that's the full loop. Connect your accounts, describe your brand, and SureThing handles the content creation, scheduling, trend, and data monitoring for you 24/7. If you're just getting started, you'll get 1,150 free AI credits the moment you sign up, plus 150 more every day just for logging in. More than enough to build and run your own automation exactly like this. If this helped you, hit like, Subscribe for more tutorials and drop a comment if you've got questions. I read every one. See you in the next video.